Hello my friends and welcome back. Today's video we are going to be showing you guys unboxing this multi-plug outlet. So it's three-sided. You have 3 USB PD ports, 3 AC outlets, surge protection and flame resistant. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Also has a fuse built in. You got a 3-prong port on the top, the front, and the bottom, as well as 3 USB ports and a USB-C port. Now my friends, this is not an American plug. This is a European type plug adapter. This is a type G. So this is an adapter for if you're traveling abroad, like British, England, Scotland, Ireland, Hong Kong. You could use this port. And then it has American ports as the adapter. So you would plug this into one of those countries or regions that we talked about, and then you can use your American plugs with it. So it's a nice adapter. And allows you guys to travel abroad, and this is a must if you're traveling to those areas, because different regions, different areas have different types of plugs.